Who remembers this image? What is this called? Yes, we are going to take a deep dive into MyPlate. Last time, we discussed the 5 food groups in MyPlate. Can you help me name them out loud? Grains, dairy, protein, vegetables, and fruit. Each food group is divided or split up into sections. The sections are not split up evenly. They are divided based on the amount of that food group you need on your plate for one meal. Some food groups we need more of because they provide many nutrients for us, like fruits and vegetables. The fruit and vegetable food groups cover half of our plate. That means each meal, we need to try and fill half of our plate with fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables provide us with a lot of vitamins and minerals that are healthy for our bodies. Can you name any fruits or vegetables? Yes, that's right. There are so many colors in the fruit and vegetable group. With all the different colors, we could make a rainbow. When we choose fruits and vegetables, we want to have a variety of colors. Each color provides us with nutrients that are good for our bodies. We can even think of eating the rainbow when looking at the other food groups too. And guess what? These fruits and veggies can be grown locally here in Rhode Island. Your cafeteria can even serve fruits and veggies grown by farmers in your community. What is the next biggest food group on the plate? Yes, it's the grain group. There are many types of grains we can choose from. Do any of these look familiar? There's cereal, bread, bagels, toasted pastries, hamburger buns, pasta, and much more. Grains can also be rice, oatmeal, corn flour or masa, couscous, quinoa, and many others. We should try to make half of our grain choices whole grains. Whole grains would be considered oatmeal, corn flour, brown rice, or any whole wheat bread product that uses the entire kernel of the grain. Some grains break down the whole kernel and only use parts of it. Removing part of the kernel also removes important nutrients like B vitamins. What is the last food group we need to complete our plate? That's right. Protein foods can be chicken, eggs, turkey, beef, pork, fish, beans, lentils, or nuts. Some protein foods come from animals, while other protein foods come from plants like tofu. This food group provides us with nutrients to help build strong muscles. There is one more food group we need to discuss. Can you name it? Yes, this is the dairy food group. Dairy products include cheese, milk, yogurt, ice cream, and many more options. Dairy products help us to grow and build strong bones and teeth. Now, let's name all of the food groups one more time. Grains, dairy, protein, vegetables, and fruit. MyPlate is an example of what a healthy meal looks like. For breakfast, we might have cereal, milk, and a banana. Which food groups do these foods belong to? Cereal is a grain, milk is dairy, and a banana is a fruit. What if we have pizza with grapes for lunch? Can you name what food groups the parts of the pizza belong to? The dough is a grain, cheese is a dairy, pepperoni is a protein, tomato sauce is a vegetable, and grapes are fruit. For dinner, we have chicken and rice with a green leafy salad. Can you name the food groups as part of our dinner? Chicken is protein, rice is grain, and salad is vegetables. Even though the food groups are separate on the plate, that doesn't mean you have to eat the food separately. They can also be mixed together. MyPlate can be a guide for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, but also a guide for general healthy eating habits. Aim for at least 3 food groups at every meal if 5 is not possible.